Gemini, this is Google's. I'm Gemini, a large language model or an artificial intelligence, if you prefer. I was created by Google AI to help you in many different ways, from drafting messages and performing tasks to generating and analyzing images. Does it have a differentiator? Flash Thinking Experimental with Apps is a new experimental model that takes you behind the scenes of my thought process. Well, I mean, they all have thinking now. So, like, maybe that was cool before. It's probably why it was on the leaderboard here. Okay, that's actually cool. Flash Thinking Experimental with Apps. And because Google owns so many apps, that's okay. Is that okay? We'll get back to that because that actually just, and then we're gonna ask. $40+. Okay. It's not Grok's not quite as creative, but as its mission statement said, it's not trying to be creative, it's trying to be truthful and scientific. Wow. Blue eyes and always okay, casual and fun. And always down for swimming, hiking, or conquering virtual worlds. I'm happiest outdoors with a controller in hand. Steak and Caesar salad, yes please. Oh, and I'm fueled by Starbucks brown sugar oat milk cortado. Let's chat. Not bad, not bad. A little more playful. Warning, may spontaneously suggest outdoor activities or intense video game sessions. No, not at all. Well, like, I might suggest that, but you don't need to warning it. Blue eyes, steak enthusiast, and brown sugar oat milk cortado connoisseur. Oh, and then it gives me tips for my Tinder bio. Aw, how nice. Let's see if this boyo can do current. If it's pulling out straight from the internet here. Okay, so this is all current. And probably the worst rankings I've gotten. Granted, I'm less of a, I'm more of a risk taker, I would say. So this is a very good ranking for low risk. And it was telling me at the very start that, you know, it doesn't want to provide any financial advice. I'm not sure how well it did the technicals if it's shooting out that list. It's okay. Did it mention the earnings coming out today? Okay, so all these arrows are where it actually used live internet. I mean, no, I don't. It's okay. Definitely not the best one we've looked at so far. Oh, oh. Sorry. Trying to copy paste my questions and I'm using hotkeys. I don't know what they go to. Why is it import random here? Gives a good explanation. All right. Do I need to install random? Nope. Let's try it. Oh, okay. That was. See, at first I was impressed when our first one just built the snake game, but now that we've built other snake games, this is the lowest logic function yet. Or like this is back to that low logic. And that just kills itself. All right. Gemini. I think now that Meta was the first one, Gemini has some features that Llama doesn't, and we're gonna put Gemini in B tier and Llama in C tier. These last two are kind of gonna decide where Grok goes. Oh, I think Grok has to be